Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will learn how to use the AJAX timer control to refresh parts of a page automatically without full reloads. The AJAX timer is a server-side control that allows automatic periodic updates using partial rendering inside update panel. You can use AJAX timer to build real-time dashboards, clocks, stock tickers, or refresh data like chat messages and session countdowns. The timer triggers server-side events at a specified interval, causing partial updates within its associated update panel. Here is the basic structure. The timer controls goes inside the update panel and defines its interval and tick event handler. The tick event updates the label with the current time. This happens every 3 seconds automatically. You can control the timer dynamically from buttons, starting and stopping it with the simple server-side logic. You can fetch dynamic data from the database or session and show it in real time, updated via timer and update panel. The timer must live inside or be properly linked to the update panel it updates. You can use multiple timers for different areas. This demo shows real-time server time updates every 5 seconds using timer and update panel, no postback or page reload. Make sure the timer is in the correct update panel and interval is set in milliseconds. Keep the tick logic lightweight to avoid lag. For scalable performance, don't overload your timer tick with database calls or heavy processing. Keep it lean and focused. To summarize, the AJAX timer control is ideal for building real-time updating pages. Used wisely, it improves interactivity and user experience. Coming up, we will show you how to submit entire forms using AJAX, validate inputs on the client side, and build user-friendly feedback mechanisms. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe.